Right, I've got them brake pipes, got the right, I wasn't happy with the initial route that I took, so I've just consulted a few pickies. We're going down that way now, I think that's the correct way, so across the bulkhead there, down, and then down we go to the back. So brake pipes are done, got that little battery wiring clip in for the main feed to the starter motor feed. That's that clip. I think I'm finishing the bay for now. Got the electrics up and running. So that's it. So I've just got the grill mocked up, got the some new grill mounting brackets on there. It's got 4 new brackets on that. This grill is a GT one, so we're just going to get some thinners and take off the paint to make it GT, and then it'll have a satin black touch up onto the bumper. Just got it on this silver matting to stop it getting scratched. So I've got a new bumper rubber gone on front, a refurb bumper there, pretty good order. There's one small scratch just at the side, but it's pretty good nick. Some new underriders on for the front, brackets powder coated and ready to go on. So we'll just put the captive nuts in position, and I'm going to offer the bumper up to the car next. Going round to the back, where did we get to? When I left you last time, I think we had the crash pad on, didn't we? The subwoofer's in, that's tested and sounding good. All the cable and harnessing is in for the sound system. We've got it neatly run there. We've got interior lights on, they're up and running. So the interior lights are on. We've actually got 2 interior lights. You might think that's odd. Well, the headlining guy cut out the hole for the front one, weren't supposed to be there. So Swampy gets extra lighting. I'm afraid that's the way it is. Round to the back, tail lights are in. I think they were on the last clip. It's been a while since I've done an update. So boot floor's complete. We've got the cardboard inserts on. We've got the backing base card on in the boot. We've got the wiring in to the tank, and we've got that card fitted, and we've got the jack in position with its sponge pad there. So the back end's done apart from the bumper. And we've got the wind deflector strips to fit. Parcel shelf has been sorted out. We've got a nice parcel shelf in there. That's been done in royal blue. So you've got a nice parcel shelf now. Pretty tidy one, no holes in it, in really good nick. So some padding going in for the seats. That's the foam strip to stop any vibrations, and that's to cushion the mounts on the seats. A few little bits going on. Fix the light switch which was damaged. Steering cowling's going back on now. We can put the dash back together. The front face of the dash has been sent for rechrome, so waiting for that to come back. But yeah, sound system's good. That bass speaker there works really well. I've gone for a Pioneer TS WX110, which is a nice little unit, just one little harness, 2 harness plugs at the front. You get a remote control, well, a wired remote, which is fitted behind the glove box down there. We've got a nice backing piece put in for the back of the glove box. That's using some of the cloth that I used left over from the seats. A nice blue, royal blue vinyl backing pad, so that looks really tidy, that glove box. So interior's pretty much finished on the dashboard side of things. Seats are ready to go in. Just got to underfelt this carpet and find a carpet, or go with this one for now. Probably end up going for this carpet and then getting an original carpet in cut pile when I've located one, but this will have to get us going for now. This carpet's not a big job to swap a carpet out at a later date. It's actually a new carpet that looks a bit rough, but it does clean up. So that's where we're up to there. Just get the bumper on at the front now. I think everything's done in the engine bay. So let me just get these captive nuts. Let's get this new old stock bumper set up. I'm just tightening up the new bolts for the bumper rubber there, and then we're going to wax this whole back with the Dinatrol. It's a pretty good protector, the Dinatrol, so that'll keep us on. Yeah, grill fits on nice there. I don't think there's any other little touches I've done in the bay. Don't think there is. It's all been brake pipe work. Oh, we've got the deflector for the radiator card thing, and that's got a Motorcraft coolant sticker on, just on the top of it. Actually came with that, so I've written it in. So that's a nice piece as well. So there's the bay, and let's get the bumper on now. See you in a sec for the bumper. When you fit your underriders and your bumper corners, don't forget to put these packing pieces in. That just stops it scratching the paint when that offers up to the side of the wing. So I had a set of those which have gone on, 2 on the underriders and 2 on each corner. So there's the trial fit of the bumper. It's straight in, every hole just lined straight up because we'd already set it up. You can see the plastic spacer there, so everything's in. All the bolts just went straight into position, just slid straight in, so we're good for that. We're good for that. Bumper trial fit on. It'll be coming off now for wax oil. Just made sure we had all the nuts and bolts and fitting kits for it. So there we go, for a bumper on. Looking like the front end's getting close to completion now. So we shall move on to the rear bumper next. So front bumper trial fit onto the back bumper now, over and out. May 7, 2014. I've done pretty much all I can do in the bay for now. Waiting for the engine to be picked up and the running gear. Any minute now we'll have the recovery truck picking up running gear and engine. Then this shell's going away. We're going to get it on the 2-post ramp, take the dolly off the bottom and lower down onto the 2-post ramp. So it is, isn't it?
How'd you get it back?
That same thing. We had a truck similar to that, not quite as good as this, but it was on the wheelbarrow wheels. It's basically just drive it across the gravel on the wheelbarrow wheels. Perfection personified.
On the day I was born, the nurses gathered round and gazed in wide wonder at the joy they'd found. The head nurse spoke up, said, "Leave this one alone." She could tell right away I was bad to the bone, bad to the bone, bad, bad. I broke 1,000 hearts before I met you, and I'll break 1,000 more, baby, before I am through. I wanna be yours, baby, yours and yours alone. I'm here to tell you, honey, I'm bad to the bone, bad to the bone, bad, bad, bad. The bone. rich woman beg. I make a good woman steal, make an old woman black. Streets, kings and queens, step aside. Every woman I meet, they stay satisfied. I wanna be yours, pretty baby, yours and yours alone. I'm here to tell you, honey,